Today, let's discuss about extrema or maxima and minima. First, let's define what is extrema. Extrema is the plural of extremum or extreme value of a function. It is a point at which a maximum and minimum value of the function is obtained in some interval. What is local and absolute extrema? The word local or relative maximum or minimum is used to distinguish such a point from an absolute maximum or minimum. Absolute maximum is the highest value and absolute minimum is the lowest value. What is the difference between local and absolute extrema? You could say that point B is a local maximum because it is the highest point in the region around B, but it is special local maximum because it is the maximum point in the whole function, as we call it the absolute maximum. Point A is called a local maximum because it is the highest point in the region around A. Similarly, point C is also a local maximum because it is the highest point in the region around C. Examples. First example, find two numbers with sum 16 and product as great as possible. So solution. Let x and y as two real numbers and z as the product. So equation 1 we have x plus y is equal to 16. Then the equation 2 is x times y is equal to z. Then solve for y using the first equation. We have x plus y is equal to 16. Then y is equal to negative x plus 16. Then substitute the value of y in the second equation, then simplify. So we have x times y is equal to z. Then substitute the y, which is negative x plus 16. So we have x times negative x plus 16 is equal to z. Then simplify. Negative x squared plus 16x is equal to z, or z is equal to 16x minus negative x squared. Then solve for the critical number. So we have z is equal to 16x minus x squared. Then next, derive the equation of z to get the critical number. So we have 16 minus 2x. Then we have 16 minus 2x is equal to 0. Then divide it into 2 to get the x or the critical number. So we have x is equal to 8. Then solve for y. We have x plus y is equal to 16. Substitute the value of x. We have 8 plus y is equal to 16. Then transpose. We have the result y is equal to 16 minus 8. Then simplify. We have y is equal to 8. Therefore, The product is a maximum when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8. Then the maximum product is 64. For the second example, find the absolute maximum and minimum values if they exist over the given interval. Y is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 36 at the interval of -8 and 8. So first, we have to find the critical number. So we must derive the equation x squared minus 5x minus 36. So we have the result 2x minus 5. Then equate into 0. So we have 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then divide by 2 to get your x value or the critical number. So we have x is equal to 5 over 2. Then solve for f is equal to -8 and f is equal to 8 and f is the quantity of 5 over 2. So first let's solve for the f is equal to the quantity of -8. So substitute. We have the result 68, which is an absolute maximum, while in f the quantity of 8, by substitute we have the result 169 over 4. It is an absolute minimum. Then if f the quantity of 5 over 2, by substituting we have the result -12.